Hello, my fellow peace-loving people of the international community. My name is Kublai Koyo, also known as Cyrus Adam. I'm 45 years old. I originated from the Korean Peninsula, and I'm the founder of Miss Gracious International, the world's first beauty pageant, rooted in values and radiant in visuals for a more gracious world. In this video, I will explain how our transparent public voting process with a voter ID verification system works. The voting process is very straightforward. Let me walk you through it. This is our Miss Gracious International Live Results public page, which is currently under testing. Everything you see here is a mock-up. So let me walk you through the concept. The live contestant leaderboard updates in real time, showing each contestant's current vote count with complete transparency. Every voter receives a unique voter ID, and every verified vote connected to that voter ID is reflected instantly on each contestant's vote count, again with complete transparency. Now let me show you the examples in contestant testing, checking, and experimenting. Here you will see voting transparency, find your voter ID, and track your votes. This is the page where voters can use their voter ID to verify their voting record in the voting transparency table. Contestants and the public can check this page anytime, from anywhere, and see exactly how the results are changing throughout the competition. Every vote is public and transparent. No hidden tricks, no corruption. While transparency technology doesn't make people good, it does make dishonesty harder. I hope Miss Gracious International will bring us closer to a more gracious world free from corruption.